Today we're making a delicious and hearty alternative to a traditional vegan grilled cheese sandwich. It's made with tofu, sautéed onions, and a sun-dried pesto that you're going to love. Start by sautéing some onions until they're soft and golden brown. While the onions are cooking, prepare the tofu. To make the coating, combine cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. But if you're in a pinch, garlic salt works too. After pressing the tofu for 15 minutes to remove the moisture, cut it into 4 even slabs. Try to get these as even as possible so that the entire piece cooks evenly. While the tofu is cooking, you have time to put together a quick 5-minute pesto. Combine a cup of sun-dried tomatoes in oil, a handful of fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, vegan cheese, spices, and a drizzle more of olive oil. Blend until smooth. This pesto will add a tangy, savory punch to our grilled cheese. To assemble, take 2 slices of sourdough and add some vegan cheese. Spread a generous layer of the pesto and then add the sautéed onions. Add the cooked tofu and finish it off with some julienne slices of sun-dried tomatoes. You've got options for cooking. Use a panini press for even cooking, without the need to flip. Or go the classic route by cooking it in a skillet. Press down gently to get that perfect golden crust, and cover with a lid to make sure the cheese melts. You'll know it's ready when the bread is crispy and the cheese is melty perfection. Once your sandwich is grilled, remove it from the skillet and let it cool for a minute or 2. And there you have it, perfect for lunch, dinner, or anytime you need a quick and satisfying meal. Enjoy!